So let's continue with the browser actions. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use forward and backwards function in the browser. But first, let's delete this code because we no longer need it. And I have prepared the second website, which is dev.to. And basically what we want to test is first we will navigate to the example.com. Then we navigate here. Then we use browser backward function, so we should be redirected here, and then we will choose forward to be redirected here again. So let's do it. After we go here, we can actually leave the check here, so I'm gonna bring it back. So I'm gonna bring back the wait for selector h1 to actually make sure that the load of this site was successful. And here I'm gonna call one more go-to, and I'm gonna paste the dev2, and let's just grab some element from this website. So what do we have? Let's use some high level. For example, let's say the ID of top bar. So here we will do await page.wait for selector, and since it's ID we need to use number sign top bar. So now after that we want to call the page.goback function to go back to the example. So I'm going to await page.goback like this, and I'm gonna check that the h1 is there. And after that, I'm gonna do the opposite. So I'm gonna call go forward, and I'm gonna check that the top bar is actually visible again, like this. So basically we are trying to use the inbuilt browser functions for going back and forward in the history. So let's now try to run the test. So npm run test. And as you can see, the test was successful, but again, it was pretty fast. So let's now use our slow motion again. And I'm gonna give it, let's say, 250 milliseconds. And let's run it again. So look, we are on example, we are on dev2, back on example, forward to dev2, and the test is successful. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can actually use the go back, go forward, and the reload function to actually handle the navigating to the different URLs. And I think that's it. There is nothing else to talk about. Actually, it's pretty simple. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I am always here to help you. And see you in the next video.